So, update. No more brace. Woohoo, arm is good. I can't really raise it all the way up, but that's what physical therapy is about, right? Got a fantastic new job, working remotely next week, and going to be starting at this amazing bar owned by amazing people. And I'm so super excited. But the most exciting news is my husband decided to book a trip for us just because of everything that's been going on. Been kind of like down in the dumps with a broken shoulder, losing a couple of jobs, you know, and then having to scramble to make money here and there since I'm no longer teaching, which I'll never go back to, by the way. So my biggest thing is I'm doing the thing I hate the most, and that is packing. Dun, dun, dun. It's so funny that every single cruise we go on, both my husband and I say, you know what, we so overpack. We gotta get better at packing. We gotta learn to not overpack. Let me show you my current situation right now, right? By the way, we are going on Virgin. So there's theme nights, there's different things going on. It's going to be St. Patrick's Day, so you gotta buy and pack the outfits that go with those nights. Am I right or am I wrong? Because if you don't, you look like an idiot. Current situation, I'm the pink luggage, so there is 2 blue, 2 pink, some boots I'm gonna wear because there is a meetup when we get into Miami, and then we have 2 small ones too. It's a 9-day cruise. Well, like, how much luggage do we need? And it took me literally 4 hours to pack. Oh, and you know what the coolest thing is? I was at the beach the other day, and our total like cooler went to like kapooey. So I told my husband, I was like, when it goes kapooey, I want to get one of these retro coolers. I can't even say coolers, retro coolers. And look at this bad boy. Like, hold on, take a better picture than that, you know. Let's see. Like, look how cute this cooler is. It looks so 50s, so retro, so everything. It's called the Polar Box. It got a little leather strap with it, super lightweight, hard top. Taking that with us to kind of put some beverages in and some food in on our trip to Miami. So super cute. So, to make a long story short, more footage coming up for you guys. I'm going to be going to St. Kitts. I am going to be going to St. John's, which I've never been. We've always ported in St. Thomas. I'm going to the Dominican Republic. I am going on this Virgin cruise, which I love their cruise line because guess what? No kiddos. Sorry, Jesse. He is going to Mama and Pavel's house, which is good because he gets to visit family for a little while. And it's just going to be an awesome time. But when I get back 4 weeks later, I'm porting out again on another Virgin cruise, April 25th. And then I have 2 upcoming in July, and I have some winter things coming up as well. So look for that footage. Virgin Voyages coming up. You're going to see an awesome time with awesome people and a lot of different things that we're doing. We haven't really decided whether or not we're getting off the boat at certain ports. I know that we have a lobster and sails things on a catamaran ride that's upcoming. I'll let you guys know that. We haven't decided if we're getting off at St. Kitts because it goes in at like 8 o'clock and then we have to be back on board at 3. We usually go to the Reggae Beach Bar or the Conkle Shoal Beach, if you guys want to know what that is. Love that place. However, there is so many things happening on the ship that night. We really don't want to start day drinking at 8 o'clock and can't stay up until like 2 o'clock in the morning of all the events that are happening on that ship. But a lot of content's coming, promise you. I know I've been kind of slow about posting content because I did have a broken shoulder there for a while, and it is getting better. And then I'm actually going to give you content on this new bar that just opened. I'm so super excited for this bar. It's just going to blow people's minds out the door around here. Pretty sure every local will be going to this bar pretty much 7 days a week, if not at least 5, promise you. But I will be giving you content on that as well. So look for my content. It's coming up. Like it, share, subscribe. It's going to be an awesome time, guys. See you in the next video. I hate the drive to Miami. 4.5 hours sucks, especially during traffic. But we're gonna make it work.